Power supplies are a component in the PC that's replaced rather than repaired, because the power supply internally contains capacitors, and these capacitors are capable of retaining a very large charge even when the system's powered down. From a safety perspective, this has always been the case and probably will always be from terms of CompTIA. You don't ever open up a power supply and attempt to repair individual components. Now, you could open it up if you wanted to just see it, but you have to be very careful. Don't reach inside and touch it. Quite honestly, the only thing that you really would be replacing in a power supply would be the fan assembly. Yeah, the fan assembly is actually easily removed with a couple screws and can be replaced. If a power supply fan stops working, then the power supply is going to overheat very soon after that. If you catch it in time, you can prevent that from happening by replacing the fan. I have replaced a fan in real life, but nothing else. In a lot of cases, the power, it's just not even worth it. Okay, the power supply, high-end power supplies are between $100 and $150. Low-end power supplies are between $20 and $50. So it's a much easier component to replace, just cost-wise. But then when you think of safety, that's why we make these statements.